Easy tutorial, how to download and install CapCut. The first step is to open your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Once your browser is open, type to search CapCut for PC. Hit enter on your keyboard. Click to open this first link. Here we are on the CapCut website. Now, look for the Download for Windows button. It should be easy to find, usually located at the top or in the center of the page. After clicking the Download button, the download should begin automatically. Depending on your internet connection speed, it may take a few moments to complete. Once the download is complete, now, double-click on the installer file to begin the installation process. And there you have it. CapCut is now installed on your device and ready to use. You can find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, depending on your device. You're all set to unleash your creativity and start editing amazing videos with CapCut. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for tips and tricks on how to make the most of this powerful editing tool. Thanks for watching.